Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make Ghana Koose or Akara, and it's a street food eaten in Ghana. It's mostly eaten with Hausa cocoa, or it can also be eaten by itself. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe. So now let's get started. I have here 2 black eyed beans that I have soaked overnight. And I also have here chopped red onion, 3 eggs, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, and ginger. I also have here chopped spring onion and chopped red pepper. And I also have here some salt to taste. So to begin with, I'm going to wash and rinse the beans thoroughly. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share if you like this recipe. And thank you all so much for your support. So after rinsing the beans, I'll go ahead and pour it inside the blender, and I'll blend it for a few seconds to remove the skin. So I'll pour about 2 cups of water. So after blending, I'll go ahead and wash it again to remove all the skin. And at this point, I have finished washing it. And at this point, I'm going to go ahead and blend it again until very smooth. Now I'm going to add the ginger, onion, and pepper, and also the eggs to it and blend it. So the ginger is optional. You can add it to it or you can take it out. So at this point, I'm going to add the spring onion and the red bell pepper together, and then I'll mix it very well, and I'll add some salt to it. So now it's ready for frying. And now to my work, I'm going to heat up some oil, and I'll be scooping some of the butter, about 10 drops of butter into the oil, and I'll be frying it on a medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's golden brown. So now I'll continue to turn the Koose. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share if you like this recipe. So I'll keep turning it until it's well cooked. And at this point, it's all done. So I'm going to remove it and put it on a paper towel in a strainer to soak up the excess oil. So I'll keep repeating until I finish frying them. And to all my subscribers, thank you all so much for your support. So at this point, I'm done frying it. It's looking nice and delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. And thank you all so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.